There is good news for Bengalurians. An auto will be seen on Bengaluru roads which is different from the normal autos. These autos will contribute immensely in reducing pollution. Very soon green autos will be seen in Bengaluru. These are smart autos which are solar powered and run on electricity. A solar panel is fixed on the roof of the auto with the rechargeable batteries in place of the normal engine. Three Bengalurians, Madan, Rakesh Sharma and Umesh Chandra, considering the rise in the heat in the city, designed this environment-friendly auto. The trio have replaced the engine with a variable controller motor. They have also used the old auto to develop this solar-powered auto. Now to own this auto, one does not require to buy a new auto. They just have to replace the engines and a few spare parts, or one can just exchange their auto for the solar-powered one.
So the concept why we have selected electric auto is it is a public transport, a cheapest public transport, and it is a last mile connectivity and a smaller vehicle. It can go in a smaller roads. Third, so if you bring a new vehicle and also old vehicle on the road, the number of vehicle will go up. So you are not going to reduce the pollution, but you will increase the pollution because the speed will come down. We will have a Google map. There will be a swapping credit card, debit card facility in that. So that the driver need not take a cash or anything, or you need not pay a fight with the driver for the changes and all.
The cost per kilometer of petrol, CNG and LPG autos cost around 5 rupees. The solar auto will cost only 2 rupees to the driver. With just 5 hours of charging, the auto can be driven for about 110 kilometers. The solar powered auto can attain a maximum speed of 50 kilometers per hour. During rains, the driver need not worry of low battery charge. Many charging stations will be installed across the city. These autos need not require any periodical servicing, no changing of oils, and it also comes with very low maintenance.
ಬರೀ ಎಕ್ಸೆಟ್ರಾ ಮಾತ್ರ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಮಂತ್ 2 ಮಂತ್ಸ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಅಂದಿವೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಯ್ತಾ ಅದನ್ನು ಕ್ಲಚ್ ವೈರ್ ಕಟ್ ಆಗೋದು, ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ವೈರ್ ಕಟ್ ಆಗೋದು, ಎಕ್ಸೆಟ್ರಾ ವೈರ್ ಕಟ್ ಆಗೋದು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಬಿಸಿಲಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಥ್ರೋ ಮಾಡಿ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ನ ಹೊಡೆದು ಅದನ್ನು ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಬದಲು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಸ್ಕ್ಲೆಚ್ ಇರೋಲ್ಲ, ವಿತೌಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ಲೆಚಿಂಗ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಆಯಿಲ್ ಮೇಂಟೆನೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಬ್ರೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಬರೀ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಒಂದು ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಶಾಕ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವರ್ ಒಂದು ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಬರೀ ಏನು ತೊಂದರೆನೇ ಇರಲ್ಲ ಈ ಆಟೋದಲ್ಲಿ. ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕಾಗಿ ಡೈಲಿ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಡೈಲಿ 100 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್. ಈ ಸಿಟಿ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಲಿಮಿಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ 100 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಒಬ್ಬ ಆಟೋ ಡ್ರೈವರ್ ಓಡಿಸೋದೇ ಹೆಚ್ಚು. 90ಇಂದ 95 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಓಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಪರ್ ಡೇ ಅದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ. ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ 120ಇಂದ ರನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಕಂಪ್ನಿಯವರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದರಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ತುಂಬ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ.
The auto has got safety features as well. A Google map is installed for the computer's reference. If the driver changes the route on pressing the SOS button, all the police stations in the nearby areas will be alerted and the auto speed will also reduce. The developers and marketers are waiting for the government's approval for the auto to ply on the streets of Bengaluru. This, if implemented, will be a major step in reducing pollution. Pramod Shastri for News 9 Bengaluru. A unique robotics competition was witnessed today in the city. Yantra